Alright guys, John Chicken Ship Farms coming back today with a real quick tabletop review. This is the Canik. I believe this is the full-size TP9SF Elite. So I picked this one up from Bud's Gun Shop. I picked this one and the SC up at the same time, so we're going to take a look at both of them, but see what we get in here today. Alright, as you can see in the top here, you're going to have a cleaning tool, brush, and another back strap. And of course, here's all your, I guess Canik USA actually has some parts now, so you can customize these guns, which they come very well equipped already. But I mean, you should be able to get threaded barrels and different sights and things like that from Canik here if you want to check that out. CanikUSA.com. Going to get an NRA. Here's your disassembly instructions. This is actually very nice to have this large. There's some more information here. So, and they're manuals, and they put a lot into these manuals, guys. They're very nice. There's a lot of good information in here. I would definitely recommend that you guys check this out, read over it, especially if this is your first Canik firearm, or even your first firearm in general. Just read over it, because there are some slight differences between this, some of the other striker fired pistols out there, so definitely take a look at your manual. And some ATF propaganda, which has been in everything I've opened here lately. Alright, let's see what we got here. Gonna get a gun lock, a trigger lock here. Seems to be, you know, a lot of times you're going to get the trigger lock, or you're going to get a slide lock, which has to go with any firearm you purchase anymore. And Canik's going to give you, there's two magazines that come with this, and I believe that they're two 15-round mags. But here's your mag. These are Mechgar mags, excellent magazines. And you're going to get a loader, which is nice. That's a nice touch. One good thing about Caniks, guys, what I was just saying is they come with everything you need to get you carrying this firearm right out of the box. So you're going to get a lot of stuff that you are not going to get with a lot of other firearms out there. Springfield Armory used to do that with their X series or XDMs. They used to come with all kinds of stuff, but here anymore, people started cutting down on that. So you're going to get a holster, which is great, because you know, you guys are spending, you know, anywhere between $300, $400, $500, $600 for a gun. Then you got to go out and get a holster, and a lot of times holsters are going to run $25 or more. Sometimes for holsters. Now, this isn't the best holster in the world, but it'll definitely get you by until you can get what you're looking for. So definitely a wonderful plus to have this already in the box. Here we go. Still got all the stuff on here from when I got it. I've had this one sitting in the corner, guys, for a while, and I haven't even taken it out of the box, as you can see. So here's your tag. It says Canik has looked over this and it meets their quality control guarantee. There's a chamber flag already in it, so obviously you can see that it's empty. All right. So here you go, guys. Let's take a quick look at it here. This is what you're going to get right out of the box. This is how it comes. Oh, look at that. Georgia, Vermont. I didn't even know there was a Georgia, Vermont. But Canik makes a great looking firearm, guys. And a lot of people that have had these out, they've had them out in the range. They said it's got one of the best triggers for a firearm, period. Not just in this price range, but at all. So you're going to get some, for a striker fired pistol, it's one of the best out there. And their quality of the pistols coming from Canik, it's they're really impressive. I said the finish work on them is excellent. You can definitely see that they take great care in what they're doing over there. Now this gun has been out for a little while. It's still excellent. I've been wanting to get my hands on this for some time, and I finally did. Pick this up from Bud's. It was, I'll have to look back, and I don't if I'm wrong, I'll put it in the description, but I think it was $363 for this pistol. I bought this one, and I bought the subcompact version of this pistol at the same time. The subcompact was more money than this pistol. I think it was around $400, but I've been wanting to get my hands on one for a while, so I'm glad I did. I said it has a fiber optic front sights. I believe the SC comes with the Warren Tacticals already. These are Warren Tactical as well, guys. There you go. See if we can get where the glare. Sorry, focus is ridiculous, but yeah, it's Warren Tactical. Fiber optic. I'm a big fan of the fiber optic sights, especially at the range. Obviously, it's not a night sight, but I do a lot of range shooting, and for me, the fiber optic's great. I love it. It's easy for me to get on target, and especially quickly, so I'm a big fan of those, and have been for a while. See, it's got some nice texture here, especially if you're way you're gonna hold it. You got your thumb up there. That's nice. Same thing on the other side. It's got made in Turkey right there, but it gives you some place to put your finger, guys. Learn to keep your finger off the trigger. This does have a trigger safety, no frame safety, but from what I can tell, this gun is 100% ambidextrous. As you can see, the slide release can be switched over to the other side here. Mag release can be switched over to the other side here. Sorry guys, I haven't had enough coffee this morning. And the slide release here is ambidextrous as well. There's no frame safety on this pistol. Has a nice slide rail, definitely a large enough slide rail here. Loaded chamber indicator. And it also has another one back here. This is to let you know that the gun is cocked right here. So you can feel that, but you can also see it. I said very nice looking pistol. Definitely with the extra back strap. I believe it's a larger back strap. We'll take a look at that real quick. I think it is. Yeah, it's slightly larger than the one that's already on the pistol, and it's not a big difference. It's just slight. And here you've got some little bit of texture here for your grip. This is not that aggressive at all. It does have a little stick to it, but it's not bad. And here you got some texture on the front here. Very large trigger guard here. Definitely going to help for you guys that like to shoot in the winter if you're wearing gloves. That's a nice looking firearm. Alright guys, now disassembly of this, obviously you know it's empty, guys. See, empty. There's no mag in it. Because you know I'm not insane. You start pulling a gun apart with rounds in it, you're probably going to shoot yourself or somebody else. But takedown on this is fairly easy. Just slide back just a tad, pull these forward, pull the trigger, and pops right off. Very simple, very easy. No tools required. What you got here? You got a captive spring, and it's metal captive spring. Barrel, and just beautiful inside here, guys. There's no tool marks, nothing. I mean, this quality of Canik is really impressive. It really is. They do a very nice job. You see everything in here is polished. All your triggers. Thing looks wonderful. It really looks nice. I said it's impressive. Probably sound like I'm a freaking Canik fanboy or something, guys, but no, it's really nice to see something like this with this much quality in it coming in under $400. I mean, that's impressive. You get your hand on something like this, it's already got everything you need right out of the box to get going. And I mean, it's got your cleaning brush, rods, mag loader, holster, and like I said, quality sights, quality trigger. Just definitely nice quality all the way around. And to get into this for, like I said, it was $363, so sub $400. And if you guys look around, I bought this. It's still crazy out there, so prices are still a little higher. I believe you can find this gun a little bit cheaper if you look around a little bit, guys. And I mean, if you can find it cheaper, then this would be an excellent option for you guys. Like I said, guys, for the price, it's hard to beat these. Like I said, easy to disassemble, easy to assemble, and I mean, right out of the box with an excellent trigger. Already got a good set of sights on it, holster, and like I said, a lot of people like that you can put another back strap on here. And the rail is always nice on the front. It's just a great looking firearm. It really is. So I'm excited to get this one out on the range. Everybody I know that's had them loves them. So I'm really excited to get out there and see what I can do with it. Nice looking firearm, guys. Alright, guys, we're going to try to use our trigger gauge here and see what we can get on this trigger. It's difficult to do with the way this safety's set up on here, so there you go. 3 pounds and very little. Let's try that again. Three pounds, 4 ounces. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. So I said just a tad over 3 pounds. That's impressive. I'll check it out here. I said you got a little take up there. Hits the wall. Very smooth, very smooth. Reset right there. And nice audible click too. I like that. It's nice. Like I said, I'm excited about it. I'm ready to get it out there and check it out. I said weather's been awful, and I said raining all the time, so getting out to the range has been a real hassle for us. But so hopefully we can get out there soon. There are a lot of videos out there on this gun, guys. It's been out for a while. This is definitely not a new model, but it's still one of my favorite of the Canik line. So I'm gonna definitely upgrade this holster. I'll probably check Spartan Tactical out. I did a video on a holster they did for the GX4 a while back. And I'm going to take a look and see what they've got for this, because I'm like you guys, I really don't like having my magazine release exposed, but I mean, I don't really think I'm going to carry this gun concealed anyway. This is something I'm probably going to use here at the house, home defense, or I'll put it in some of my bags or just out around the property. It's definitely a wonderful for a range gun. So I said it's a little bigger than I like, especially for concealed carry, guys, but I mean, still an excellent firearm. So I'm excited about it. And we're going to get it out on the range and check it out and bring that to you guys. But if you guys are looking for something like this, definitely give Canik a look. I said they make a wonderful firearm. As far as I can tell, everybody that's had them has been really impressed. So here it is, guys. Canik TP9SF Elite. This is, like I said, the full size. We'll do a comparison with this and another budget firearm, probably the Taurus G3, which is another wonderful budget firearm. Definitely cheaper than this one. It comes in around $100 cheaper than this one, but you're not going to get the holster or the tactical sights or the great trigger or any of that stuff. So keep that in mind, guys, when you're out there shopping. But here it is, guys. We appreciate everything. You guys like our videos, please drop a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you, guys.